Hello and welcome to another video tutorial in the how-to series. My name is Amanda Short and I'm a VA and tech coach and owner of Virtual Assistant for Business, or VA for Biz for short. I'm based in Pembrokeshire and I'm working exclusively online during the coronavirus of 2020. If you are a sole trader, entrepreneur or SME and you need support with your back office operational services or online marketing efforts, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find my contact details at the end of this video. If you're watching this in my private Facebook group, make sure you pop a yes in the comments section below to let me know if this video has been useful for you. If you're not already a member, please request access to my social media training and support group on Facebook. Please follow me on Instagram at VA4Biz. Please follow me on Twitter at VA4Biz. Please connect with me on LinkedIn and add me to your network. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to make sure you get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay everyone, let's get on with the video. So in today's video tutorial, you will learn how to create multiple social posts from directly within Mailchimp. Please remember that at any point you can stop, rewind and watch parts of this tutorial again if you get a bit lost or if I go too fast for you, and just reach out if you have any questions. So navigate to your Mailchimp account and click on the Create button and scroll down to Social Post and select that option. Then another window opens, giving you the opportunity to name your campaign, and when you're ready, click Begin. And then a new window opens, giving you the option to toggle on your Facebook, Instagram and Twitter accounts, decide which one you want, and then click Save and Continue. So the next part of the process is uploading an image from within Mailchimp. If it's not there, import it. Click on the Insert button and that goes straight into your post. Then add your content and your hashtags and press Save and Continue, as I'm doing here. In the next window, you will get the opportunity to ensure that the correct social media platforms have been selected using the drop-down menus, as I'm doing here. And also remember to adapt your content and hashtags to suit the parameters of each social media platform. Feel free to hit the pause button at this point. And when you're ready, click Save and Continue. As you can see, all the posts for those platforms are laid out in front of you and you can just scroll down and have a look at them. All looking good, and then you can just decide whether to publish now or schedule your posts for the future. Obviously I'm not going to publish these because this is just a test. When your social posts have been published, you can track their progress from within the campaign section of your Mailchimp account. And that's all there is to it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact details are coming up at the end of this video. I hope you're all keeping well and keeping safe, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care everybody and all the best.